What is up, everyone? Welcome to Seth LeRoy Adventures. It's dark out. We're in the garage. I was gonna maybe kayak today, but I had so much fun carp fishing with Everly. I'm excited to go again, and this time I brought my right muskie pole too to see if I can do some casts. I've heard of people catching muskies there, and then sure as shit, yesterday my wife worked, and then somebody talked about how their buddy caught a great muskie off Mississippi. Right in that area that we're going to in Monticello, Minnesota.
I cannot wait.
Like I say all the time, we live in the land of 10,000 lakes, so what are you doing? Go fishing. And we also have the mighty Mississippi, so let's get it in. We're gonna head there right now. Let's go. Yeah, so now of course we're starting to get ready to go to our other spot. No, there's other people's cars there. Alright, this is the last pole too. It's just the way it goes sometimes. I don't think they're fishing though. Looks like they're just, yeah, parked there. I do like this spot. Ideally, the spot we're at right now is better with the rocks and stuff, but it's not doing as good, so whatever. Watch. We're gonna go to our other spot and do better or something. And yesterday we did do much better. So, here, let me put the frickin' big muskie net in first. What? That'd be a cool way to end this spot.
Crawdaddy infestation.
Yep. They do live in the rocks more, so that could be a negative.
Yeah.
Fishing the rocks.
And this will probably get us the carp. Right?
Here we go.
My bait is stolen too. You can see.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it just keeps getting robbed, huh?
Probably definitely the crawdaddies.
Yep. That's good. Alright. Off to the next spot.
Also, that would be dangerous if we ran into the river.
Yep, we gotta go to our other spot.
Intelligence.
Yeah, they definitely had some event over here yesterday. Got all the only thing I don't like about this idea is the boat launch seems decently busy. It's been a couple boats, but I guess we'll just move if they come. But it was better fishing, so.
Yeah, I saw people catching smallies and smallies.
A lot of times it's because these boat ramps, they clear out an area, so then it's like deeper with a cleared out space and no weeds. Oh, those are those people just camping right there.
Yeah.
That's
what I said.
It's different.
Just two people boat launching. Not so bad.
I don't really use this backup cam that much, but see, and then I can't trust it.
Why?
I'm just not. I don't use it like
Stop. Stop. We're gonna go into the freaking water, dude. And it's slippery down there. You know?
Let's get our shit unloaded and then we'll park. Okay. You guys are fucking serious, dude. What dope this is. Love it. Get out of the way for this guy. Nothing, this guy's coming to launch. so ridiculously high right now.
So high.
The water. Yeah.
Looks like it's flowing pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Smalley's been biting good.
Haven't gotten any today.
What a foot.
I was saying this is it for us. We got like 20 minutes, so it's either clutch out or nothing, man. Look at these dudes coming in like an army. Straight up. There's literally like they're like 20 deep, dude. I love it. I love it. No, they're rolling like deep, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. That's awesome. That's awesome. He's telling them to be careful, like they're going into war. I like it. They're going into fishing war. Look at that, they're deep. That is awesome. Love it. Look at them rolling out. That is so awesome. Like 7 deep. I'll take them fish out, dude. Love it. Of course, I don't bring my waders. I could have just like been like, I'm coming with you boys. Just follow their ass. Yeah, the water is high. Crazy high. Look at these boys. It's awesome. Just gotta be careful of my line, boys. That's awesome. Like seeing that. That's cool. Okay.
Yeah, that seems to be a common problem we run into here.
Interesting. No motor on the river. That dude needs to sit down, bro. Wow. And you got these dudes. Yeah, super gorgeous. Mississippi's crazy out there. It's pretty big right now. Yeah, I bet. These one dudes just took off with they had no motor, and it was a different kind of boat. It just had paddles and did not look fun. It's like, what the hell? No motor. And not being mean at all, but one of the dudes was very large. Like 400. Yeah.
400?
Yeah. I'm like, I don't know if I'd be like, hey buddy, I'm sorry, but I'm coming, Everly. What a just outstandingly beautiful area to end it on. I mean, every time, well, it's so rare, but if I get skunked, you know, I'm just happy to be out here, and you know, that is really why I'm here. It's my main form of meditation. My daughter comes with me every morning now, so that's obviously a huge awesomeness thing. It's not just fishing. Like that song, that's why that Trace Atkins song, she thinks we're just fishing. That doesn't just go for my daughter, that's just everything. And like, I mean, people who just go to fish, I don't understand it, because it's way more than that to me. That's why when people say I used to fish, I'm like, what are you talking, like how? I just don't, I can't even compute that sentence. I used to, I'm like, ooh, and what's wrong with you? Yeah, first time we've been skunked in a long time. I love this smallie. Got put up in 2022 because I never noticed it. Look at them boys and the waders out there. But I was like, wow, man, this looks new. And yeah, 2022. It's been a while since I've been here. You got it. Well, that is it for this one. Yeah, first time being skunked in, geesh, I can't even remember. I don't think I've been skunked yet this year. I don't think so. That's fine though. It is what it is. It's all part of the game. And then the next time you fish, the way I look at it, you feel more appreciative. You're more happy if you don't get skunked, you know. So when you get skunked, it actually makes the next time fishing better. Perception is stronger than reality. However you perceive things is the way it's going to be. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so it is what it is. That just happens, you know. Whew, I thought for sure you're gonna get something. I think too, like Everly was saying earlier, if those dudes wouldn't have been in our spot that we had yesterday right away, we would have got it. She said she's down to go even dark when it's darker out, and that's better for catfish too. And I've fished the river quite a bit, but I've only been a couple years into live bait river fishing. But I even used to fish live bait a little bit with my older brother here and there, and I still never caught a cat. So I've gotten bullheads in lakes.
Wait, tomorrow we should also use hot dogs for catfish.
Yeah, that'd be smart. I thought you said you wanted to go to a big lake. Are you thinking about it now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, this was a lot of fun. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine with me. Just glad you're rocking me.
Wait, is the bridges out into the water?
I don't know.
We should check tomorrow.
What was I gonna say? Oh, and I'll always show if I get skunked, you're gonna see it. I know I've watched some fishing YouTubers that say like, oh, I fished the other day but didn't get none, so I didn't post it. Well, I like it to be more like reality TV, and whatever happens, happens. If we get skunked, we get skunked. If we don't, we don't. So you're gonna see ones where we're just enjoying the scenery and enjoying being out in the water, but we might not catch something. But anyways, that's it for this one. Like I said, I'm gonna get out of here and we're gonna drive home. Peace.